Hi guys, what's new? So, is it interesting for you to speak about Russian Far East? Well, today we are continue speaking about it, the Russian Far East, and I want you to open your students' books at page 83. So, and have a look. Exercise number 1. What can you see? Well, of course, it is a postcard or a letter, yeah? But probably it's a postcard. We can see the dress, date, um, and the form of it shows us that it is a postcard. So I want you to read it and here are some phrases which are wrong. So you should use general knowledge, maps, and lesson 30 to correct the 4 underlined mistakes. You should use the places Empty Lepatin, the Sihote Ellen Mountains, the Ussuri River, and the Canashare Island. So, these are questions in geography. So, look through, read this postcard, and find the mistakes. Okay, so let us read the postcard all together. I want you to repeat after me. Hi, Sally. Having a great time. It's quite hot here because it's the middle of summer here. Now in Kurilsk on not Primorye but on Canashare Island. Now in Kurilsk on Canashare Island for 2 days. The scenery is wonderful. Yesterday we were in Sakhalin. Saw the hot springs and mountain lakes. Climbed the highest mountain, not Tendoki Yangi, but which one? No. Emtilopatin. Amazing.
Мам, я не могу включить мультик.
Подожди, пожалуйста, я записываю урок. Вот, сядь в домик, поиграй. So, last week, stayed with my dad's friends in Vladivostok. Went biking in the Sihote Ellen Mountains. It is the right variant. The caves were very scary, like black holes in the galaxy. Enjoyed beautiful views of the mountain, river, and forests. They are magic. Rafted in the Ussuri River. Tomorrow I'm going sailing. Back on Thursday. See you next weekend. Take care, Olga. Okay, so now I want you to do exercise number 2. We are going to continue speaking about letters and postcards. Well, which type of postcard is it? I think postcards are usually informal. And do you remember the rules of informal letters, the differences from formal letters? I hope so. If you don't, you may have a look in your personal files. Okay, now Let us do exercise number 2 and find informal expressions in blue in the postcard with these meanings. Ты видишь, я урок записываю. So, how can we say with best wishes? The other variant. How can you say? I think take care. Can you see it in the end of our postcard? Take care, Olga. So we are enjoying, or you can say having a great time. Dear, you also can say hi. It is possible. And look forward to seeing you on, or just see you. Well, now let us answer the questions about punctuation, знаки препинания. So, why does Olga use capital letters for words? To emphasize something, чтобы акцентировать на чем-то внимание, подчеркнуть что-то. Используются заглавные буквы, пишутся ими. Например, помните, у нас в предыдущем каком-то письме было, там, мы были где-то там, не помню, аэропорт или где-то были там 2 часа. И то есть, чтобы подчеркнуть это, пишем, было написано тоже большими буквами. И здесь мы забрались на самую высокую гору, прям чудесно, удивительно. Okay, number 2. What examples of shortened words or contractions does Olga use? Another rule of informal letters is that you should use contractions. You can't use them in formal ones. In formal letters, you should always write I am, I do not, and so on, the full forms. And as for informal letters, you should, you may use, it is not a rule, a strong rule, so you may use contractions. Have a look. It's quite hard. What else? Can you see? I'm also, it is also a contraction. So, why does Olga use dashes? Тире. Well, I think to comment on something mentioned. Опять же, чтобы как-то прокомментировать, сделать на чем-то акцент. Я думаю, то, что в русском языке у нас примерно так же делают. When does Olga use exclamation marks? Восклицательные знаки. To emphasize something also. Тоже, чтобы сделать на чем-то акцент, чтобы что-то подчеркнуть. Where is the... After the word amazing. It was so amazing that she used capital letters and also exclamation marks. And the last, what does a lot of X's mean? Well, it kisses. It's like I don't know why it's so. Maybe it's look like something. So, what words does Olga leave out? You should complete the sentences. I think you will do it yourself. It is obvious. For example, having a great time. The missed words are I am having a good time, having a great time. Now in Kurilsk, I think I am now in Курильск. Подлежащие сказуемые пропущены почти везде. So, and exercise 5. It is going to be your home task. You should use the model to write a postcard to a friend at home. Imagine you are on a holiday somewhere exotic and you should write notes about the things below. Where are you? The weather, where it's great or terrible. What you did yesterday, what you did last week, what are you going to do tomorrow, when you are coming back. So you should, first of all, it is easier for you to write notes and then to start writing a postcard. Don't forget about the rules of informal postcards, informal letters. Don't forget about the style. Use new phrases, new words, and take a photo and send your postcards to me. See you.